Prime Minister's office has a new address. From South Block, it's moved to Seva Tirth. It's a new integrated complex that houses the Prime Minister's office, the Cabinet Secretariat, the National Security Council Secretariat. And in his first address from Seva Tirth, Prime Minister Narendra Modi insisted that India is now stepping into a new phase and a new resolve towards a Viksit Bharat. He pointed to North Block and South Block constructed by the British. They stood taller, higher than other buildings, including the Parliament, because that was a sign of the British Raj. Now, the new offices, the aim, he said, is Seva Paramo Dharma. Listen.
साउथ ब्लॉक, नॉर्थ ब्लॉक, पुराने भवनों में जगह की कमी थी, सुविधाओं की भी अपनी सीमाएं थी। करीब करीब 100 साल पुरानी ये इमारतें भीतर से जर्जर होती जा रही थी। इसके अलावा भी कई चुनौतियां थी। मैं समझता हूं इन चुनौतियों के बारे में भी देश को निरंतर बताया जाना जरूरी है। जैसे आजादी के इतने दशकों के बाद भी भारत सरकार के अनेकों मंत्रालय दिल्ली के 50 से ज्यादा अलग अलग स्थानों से चल रहे हैं। हर साल इन मंत्रालयों की इमारतों के किराए पर ही प्रति वर्ष 1,500 करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा खर्च हो रहे हैं। हर रोज 8 से 10,000 कर्मचारियों को एक इमारत से दूसरी इमारत में जाने का लॉजिस्टिक खर्च अलग होता था। अब सेवा तीर्थ और कर्तव्य भवनों के निर्माण से ये खर्च कम होगा, समय बचेगा और कर्मचारियों के समय की इस बचत से प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ेगी। 2014 में देश ने तय किया कि गुलामी की मानसिकता अब और नहीं चलेगी। हमने गुलामी की इस मानसिकता को बदलने का अभियान शुरू किया। हमने वीरों के नाम नेशनल वॉर मेमोरियल बनाया। हमने पुलिस की वीरता को सम्मान देने के लिए पुलिस स्मारक बनाए। रेस कोर्स रोड उसका नाम बदलकर लोक कल्याण मार्ग रखा गया।
So I quickly want to bring in India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal for more on this. So Aishwarya, with the aim of a developed India or Viksit Bharat by 2047, how does Seva Paramo Dharma and Seva Tirth and Kartavya Bhavan help the bureaucracy move in that direction beyond wordplay?
Well, Gaurav, let me first tell you where I am standing. I am standing barely 200 meters away from where the new building has been inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi just a couple of hours ago. The Prime Minister has been very, very clear. The implementation of the policies that the government is bringing, that has to be very smooth. And at times we have seen how there is leakage of information from one place to the other, and also there is at times a lot of confusions. To eradicate all those things, it is extremely crucial that all the ministries are under one roof. The efficiency, the government believes, especially Prime Minister Modi, he believes that with these ministries being under one roof, the efficiency will increase many folds. And the second thing that the Prime Minister spoke about is the fact that, if you look at the old buildings, the North Block and the other buildings right behind me, they actually are on a hilltop, which means that the idea was for the Britishers to make sure that from where they used to work, it had to be a little higher. Seva Tirth does not do that, which means that everyone is equal. The word itself, Gaurav, Seva Tirth, in Hindi, when we speak about Tirth, it refers to a holy place. So this is a place where the bureaucrats will now have to come and will have to keep in mind that they are working for the people and they are not the rulers that the Britishers once used to be. Gaurav.
Keep tracking that story, and we will track whether that change in mindset also comes and whether there's ease for the common citizens of this country to get the government to deliver at the doorstep. We'll be tracking that story very closely. But then do see, it's the civilizational philosophy of this land when we say Matra Devo Bhav, Pitra Devo Bhav, Atithi Devo Bhav, Acharya Devo Bhav, mother, father, teacher, guest are God. The Prime Minister has added another line to it, Nagrik Devo Bhav, citizens are God. That is all I have for you on India First this evening. Many thanks for watching.